This is Code.org, and I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals, and I'm on the Lesson Ninjas versus Pirate games. Let's see. Now we need a way to win. Perfect. Add a repeat forever loop that continuously checks if the score is greater than 5. Then end the game as a win if it is. All right, so the repeat forever block. Remember, anything inside of this pink thing, loops forever. So every second it runs that code. So what are we going to do? Repeat forever that if the score is greater than 5 when it is in the game as a win. Okay, so if repeat forever, and then we're going to use that conditional, right? That if statement. If score, and here's our if score thing. Okay. I'm going to drag that more over here. And so every second we're asking the computer, hey computer, if score is greater than 5, and then whatever we put in this thing here will happen. If score is 2, so say score is 2 for a solid minute, every second it will check still and say if score greater than 5, well 2 is not greater than 5. So it would skip any code we have in here, hit the bottom, go back to the top, check again, hit the bottom, did you score a point yet? Nope, back to the top, so on and so forth. It would still repeat, but only if we were greater than 5 would it end the game as a win. So let's put end as a win here, okay, and test it out. If I can actually win. And I lost. I wanna keep playing. Let's see if I can get a win in. I'm gonna try using the keyboard. Ah! I was not better. One more try and then I'll give up and pretend like I won. Why didn't it? Oh, we won! I won! I'm amazing! Alright, let's keep going.